How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be looking at this 1-inch industrial curtain rod. This curtain rod fits windows from 66 inches up to 120 inches. It is a wraparound curtain rod made out of industrial looking pipe, and it can be used for indoor or outdoor curtains. In the package itself, you're going to receive installation instructions that are going to be very helpful to install this kit. You'll receive 2 wall-mounted brackets as well as fixtures to make the 90-degree angle coming off the wall. You'll receive a bracket support for the center of the curtain rod. You'll receive drywall anchors as well as screws and an Allen key for installation. And you'll receive the curtain rods. Again, this goes from 66 inches all the way to 120 inches. So make sure you measure your window and find out where you want to put it. I'm going to be doing a time lapse and just little bits of me and my wife installing this curtain rod. But as you can see, there are instructions. So make sure you follow these instructions when you're installing it yourself. And just like that, it is installed. And I followed those instructions. They're very easy to follow, very thorough, and it really is a simple installation. Now, if you're like me, I was able to find studs right here. Instead of having to use the drywall anchors, I was able to just go straight into the stud. So find a stud finder, and maybe you guys will be as lucky as I was. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped answer some of your questions. As you can see, this thing looks awesome. Now, these curtains are not included with the kit. Just want to make sure you guys know that. But again, this is the curtain rod holder from Industrial Piping, and it goes 66 inches all the way to 120 inches. Thank you guys.